Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up SSH on Linux Mint. We'll start by ensuring the SSH server is installed and running on your system. Then, we'll generate a secure SSH key pair, which is crucial for secure authentication. This method provides a much safer way to connect remotely compared to relying solely on passwords. Let's get started with the installation process. First, you need to install the OpenSSH server package on your Linux Mint machine. Open your terminal and type sudo apt install OpenSSH server to get it. After installation, it's a good idea to check if the SSH service is running correctly. You can do this with a simple command to ensure everything is active and ready for connections. This step is foundational for enabling remote access. Next, let's generate your SSH key pair. In the terminal, type SSH keygen and follow the prompts. You'll be asked to save the key and optionally set a passphrase. A strong passphrase adds an extra layer of security to your private key, so don't skip it. This pair, consisting of a public and private key, is essential for secure, passwordless authentication. Finally, you'll copy your public key to the remote Linux Mint machine. Use the SSH copy ID command, specifying your username and the remote IP address. Once the public key is on the server, you can connect securely using SSH followed by your username and the server's IP. Test the connection to confirm you can log in without a password, making your remote access both convenient and secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.